Today I'm talking about gifts, divine gifts. I was thinking that to define givingness, gift, I can say a very simple definition. Gifts are the symbols of our relationships and sharing. It's so beautiful if you think about it. Through the gifts that we are giving to others, we really see what kind of relationship we have, what kind of level of relationship we have, and what kind of depth we have in sharing with others the gifts that we have. It's a wonderful thing to see that. First of all, there are three kinds of gifts. The first gift is the divine gift. And every gift that we have originates from that gift. Actually, we do not give any gift to anyone, or we do not receive any gift. That's all symbolic. The reality is that the giver of life gives and receives, or exchanges various levels of consciousness and forms to teach and expand our consciousness. Are you following? What is the gift that the Creator gives us? It's very easy to know. That's your life. Your life is a gift. And the portion of that Creator, the spark, that He cuts from Him and makes you to exist, that's the gift. So you have a big diamond, and diamond suddenly cuts a portion and makes you Mrs. So or Mr. So. You had an existence. That existence, that life, is you. Is the greatest gift given from the one that created all these universes. So actually, if anyone wants to give a name to you, they must say Mr. Gift, Mrs. Gift, Miss Gift. You are a gift. And it is so precious gift that no one can give you, no one can take from you. That's a very interesting idea, you see. That the gift that you are, no one can steal from you. Because that gift contains within itself all these virtues, talents, geniuses, creativity, cosmic beauties, righteousness, love, joy, freedom, everything that is beautiful, everything that supports life. Think about it. Everything that supports continuity of your striving and perfection comes from that one package of gifts. It's a package given to you. And if you are sincere and intelligent enough, you are going to rush to open that package, that gift that you are. See? Most of the packages are not open. For various reasons, if we want to write a letter or a book, why you didn't open your packages, it will be a 5,000-page book. What happened that you didn't open the package, the gift that came to you? That marvelous gift that contains the whole that exists. All that exists. All your divine faculties, all your senses in all levels, all your centers in all levels, all your talents. What's happening? Oh, it's okay. They like to interfere with it. See? All these are given to you. And you are going to prepare your life. If you are not stupid, see, if you are not stupid, you are going to prepare your life in such a way that every day open your gift and try to see what is next, what is next, what is next, what is next. Wow, 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 wow. Jewels and diamonds and gold and silver and antiques or this or that. It's all there. There is antiques also. What are the antiques? I was not joking. Antiques are put in your package from previous Manvantarana. And here the package is there. When you are taking in the visualization from that great spirit, the divine source, the ocean of life, just like a drop of light. In that drop of light, there is everything that is needed for you. Listen very carefully. There is everything in that drop that is needed for you to be like one that gave that gift to you.